Well, really, it's just the idea of doing better than what came before us. And in doing that, we're trying to put our skills to the test. We're going above and beyond what we learn in the classroom.
Motivation to learn about both the hardware and software aspects, and also learn about how computers work at every level, from like the lowest level that we learned in like the circuitry 110 and 120 as well, to the like higher levels from like the programming we learned.
So we work with a corporate sponsor throughout the year, and then we present at the national conference. And so this year we worked on adaptive technology with John Deere for their compact tractors, which is really cool. And I really liked that the EC department would allow me to foster like my math and science skills, but then also allow me to explore programming.
We do all of that. So in general, people should know that there's still a lot of new and upcoming fields that have already been established from the past, and research that goes on in here will probably be used in like the next 20 years.
You don't have to change yourself to become an engineer at ECE Illinois. You can keep doing what you're doing and use the skills to make an impact. In fact, what you're watching right now is a result of original automation software written from scratch and years of filmmaking experience and enthusiasm right here in this very student community.
Illinois has given me so much. It's challenged me, it's helped me grow. The department will basically fund projects that I'm interested in working on. There's this combination of being able to exercise your creativity while also growing as an engineer and taking what you learn in the classroom and applying it elsewhere. I really hope that you join us here at Illinois.